name is Swarnav,
and today we're going to show our interactive robot called Hydro.
Okay, so it comes under the category automating the world, and we have used an ultrasonic sensor, a servo motor and a quad key. And now we're going to explain you how does it work.
So let's get started.
Okay, so first of all, the robot should the robot should do household chores and also interact with dancing, doing some particular activity.
It can also sing.
So now we will show you a demo of how it works.
The first thing is that whenever it is going out of bounds and it's about to fall, it will detect it with the ultrasonic sensor and then it will go back and turn left as well.
And so you have to. There are some particular keys. If you want to code on it, you can do it by yourself. Like when space key pressed, it will stop the robot, clear the screen, and then the vacuum will move. Also, it'll sing a few tunes, and it can also dance. So for the dancing robot, you must press the right arrow key. The options vary because you can change it by yourself. And if you want it to vacuum again, like if you want to reset it, you can press R.
You can also use it for household chores because you can attach a servo motor. Yes, you can attach something to the servo motor and then it can clean.
Like for example, a tissue paper or a brush. It can clean almost anything. And
it can also sing tunes for you, and it can also dance with you. It's an interactive robot. Okay, so now we're going to show you how it works.
Here, these are the tunes.
So these are
the tunes, and you can first of all, I forgot to mention, the PictoBlocks app is really important. It can. We are in 5th grade. So this is the first time we are talking about PictoBlocks and doing many projects, and it is really interesting.
Yes.
There you can create your own variables, add new blocks, and these are really easy. You can connect it to many other boards, as you can see, Arduino, Evive, ESP, many others.
Okay, so now we're going to show the robot doing a bunch of other stuff that is fun. So now it's going to dance. Look. The robot dances.
If you want to add some few codes yourself, you can go and do it. Open the PictoBlocks app, download it, and add some new codes and try to explore with the quad key.
You can also make the servo move by adding a brush to it. Like suppose you add a brush to it, it moves its servo like that, so it can keep cleaning stuff. It will make your job easier. So this is a Hydro interactive robot.
Thank you.